How to connect Visual Studio Code to Android Studio. In this video, I'll show you how to connect Visual Studio Code to Android Studio so you can work on Android projects using VS Code. Let's get started. First, make sure you have downloaded VS Code on your device. After that, open Visual Studio Code. You also need to download Android Studio on your computer along with the Android SDK and emulator setup. Next step is to set up Flutter and Dart. If you are working with Flutter, open Visual Studio Code, go to Extensions tab which is on the left side, and then on the search bar type in Flutter and Dart extension and install it. Now set up environment variables. Make sure your Android SDK path is added to your system's environment variables. On Windows, add the SDK path to the Android home variable, and on Mac, add it on your terminal profile like .zshrc. Now next step is to connect emulator. Launch the Android emulator from Android Studio or connect a real Android device via USB. VS Code will detect it automatically if everything is set correctly. Now open your Android or Flutter project folder in VS Code. If everything's set up, you'll see your device listed at the bottom, and now you can run the app directly from VS Code. And that is how you can connect Visual Studio Code to Android Studio. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel, and comment down below if you have any other queries. Thank you.